Hey, what's up guys? This is Advait the Cuber. Today I'll be doing a short review on the QiFa Square-1. This cube came out on the 6th of June, and although it's a budget cube, it is still the main of loads of Square-1 solvers. The turning of this cube is smooth and clunky. Many people may not like this, but I find it as very satisfying and it's a pleasure to solve. The slice layer is obviously the smoothest layer in the whole cube, but the top and bottom layer are extremely slow, and it feels a bit weird that one of the layers is very fast and one of them is very slow. I have no difficulties performing algorithms on this cube, but that might be because I don't use that advanced finger tricks as I just learned them a couple days ago. The puzzle does have quite a bit of corner cutting, but it's hard to test it since if you try to corner cut then sometimes the slice layer turns.